Can you start by telling me your full name?
Flora Lucero Cardenas,
And when were you born?
July 29, 1925. I was born in Alinuno, Abulug, Cagayan. You know that, Abulug? It's the first town of Cagayan Valley. Cagayan.
Sana'y di nagmaliw ang dati kong araw nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais ko
I stayed there with my grandmother and my grandfather. I went to school there, and after 4 years, because I have only 1 to grade 4, we went to school in the town proper, so we have to hike a little. We have to hike to go to school. That is the elementary school.
Can you tell me the name of your husband?
Pedro. Pedro Cardenas. Pedro Ragasa Cardenas. I learned that he had already a lady friend.
So you won him over then, Lola.
I know.
What was it like being a mother?
I had 1 boy and 3 girls. It's a hard duty, but they bring you happiness. Yes.
Anything you want to teach your grandchildren or teach your great-grandchildren?
Don't fight with each other. Behave yourself. Love one another. Respect one another.
tulog na labis ang himbing. Ang bantay ko'y tala, ang tanod ko'y bituin. Sa piling ni nanay, langit ay buhay. Puso kong may dusa, sabik sa ugoy ng duyan. Nais kong matulog sa